Lastly, we go to the Dubai Marina and the Jumeirah Beach area. They're very close to each other, so we can cover it together. Now, we did our Airbnb in Dubai Marina. It is worth it. There's a video coming up that's going to show my Airbnb experience. You should definitely consider Dubai Marina. You're going to be right in the middle of the city, and you can go anywhere via cab within just a few minutes, right? Beautiful place, lots of boats, lots of shops, lots of people, all the things that I like, and lots of food. So you're not gonna regret it. And the beach as well, it's a gorgeous beach. They have a play island in the middle. You're gonna see the videos coming up soon. One thing I should add, the marina is a different beast completely. Like everything else in Dubai at nighttime, so is the beach. You can go to the beach at nighttime and it's completely different. More food, more entertainment other than the water. And whereas in the morning, everybody is right in the water. So do experience this on both styles of the day. Thank you. Again, just a friendly reminder, please do like the video. It'll make it all worth it. Thank you.